Hey everyone! We're going to talk about how to clean your beloved yoga mat with natural ingredients today. You can create your own DIY spray. So, this is what you do. You're going to get a spray bottle. They recommend a glass spray bottle only because glass really preserves the essential oils and the ingredients, but I didn't have one, so that's okay. I emptied another spray bottle that I have because I love the sprayer on it. It's very misty. And so that's the first step. Grab a spray bottle. Then you're going to use you're going to use one of these. You can use either, whatever your favorite is. You can use white vinegar, or you can use witch hazel that does not have alcohol in it. All right, so that's going to be one cleaning agent. You're also going to use two different essential oils, lavender and tea tree. So let's go through the ingredients, how much you need of each. So you're going to use 3/4 cups of distilled water. Okay, you want to dilute the cleaning agent. And 1/4 cup of either vinegar or the witch hazel. Very simple. So you're just making a cup worth, 3/4 water, 1/4 cup either vinegar or witch hazel. You're going to use 10 drops of lavender, which smells amazing, very zen for yoga, and 3 drops of tea tree oil. And I will put the ingredients down below so you know exactly how to make it up for yourself. And then you're just going to spray it all over your mat. Take a cloth or a towel and wipe it clean. It's that simple. And you know, your feet, your face, everything is down on your mat. You don't want to be breathing in chemicals. Your feet also absorb whatever they're walking on. So you want to make it as natural as possible. And everyone's going to be totally jealous of how your mat smells. So you may want to share this with them so they too can create their own natural cleaning spray. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.